Just trying to help. So, this is a piece that I originally called The Dawn. It's new, it's dark, a little bit more atmospheric than I normally do. I've decided to rename it Songbirds. The old moon is finally beginning to dip below the horizon as the sunrise begins to crest. The night owl's bitter hoots begin to weaken. Their languid bodies drop feathers as they fall limp from the branches one by one. Birds of prey look over their wing as they see the sky illuminate red. The sun breaks over the mountains. Vultures look on in desperation. They thought they knew the sun, but they know not the new morning. The blinding light burns their wretched flesh. Their empty nests glisten in gold and diamond. The old moon further retreats, and the new day casts no shadow. Light bathes everything. It awakens songbirds and peacocks, hummingbirds and doves, collaborating in a euphony of enlightenment. The old moon has since fallen out of the sky, out of consciousness entirely, forgotten but not missed. Today will be a great forever. Thank you.